Kids, let's count and play with objects right along the way. From 1 to 50, sing out loud. Counting with fun makes us so proud. One shiny star up in the sky, 2 red apples waving high, 3 bouncy balls rolling around, 4 soft kittens purring on the ground, 5 smiling flowers saying hello. Count with fun, count with cheer, numbers and objects far and near. From 1 to 50, sing along, learning with a happy song. 6 little ducks in a row, 7 green frogs hopping to and fro, 8 buzzing bees busy in the hive, 9 playful puppies full of drive, 10 bright balloons that float so high, 11 twinkling lights on a tree, 12 busy bugs buzzing with glee, 13 rolling wheels on a tiny car, 14 colorful rainbows shining afar, 15 crunchy cookies, a yummy treat, 16 giggling monkeys swinging free, 17 fluttering butterflies for all to see, 18 funny fish splashing in a pond, 19 clapping hands as we all respond, 20 spinning tops whirling with delight, 21 little leaves drifting down, 22 busy bees buzzing round town, 23 marching ants on the ground, 24 twinkling stars that can be found, 25 jolly jelly beans bright and sound, 26 shiny coins in a treasure chest, 27 fluffy clouds floating with zest, 28 hopping bunnies leaping with glee, 29 colorful parrots singing merrily, 30 sparkling gems for you and me, 31 tiny turtles moving slow, 32 rainbow fish putting on a show, 33 jumping frogs on a lily pad, 34 bright sunflowers making us glad, 35 cute puppies wagging as they go, 36 giggles shared on a sunny day, 37 playful kites soaring away, 38 shiny raindrops dancing in a line, 39 chirping birds in a happy design. 40 twinkling lanterns lighting our way. Numbers 41, 45, 41 dancing fireflies in the night, in the night. 42 soft moonbeams glowing so bright, gently fall. 44 whirling snowflakes, gently all turning all. 45 smiling faces having a ball. 46 fluttering leaves on a breezy day.